What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about personal emails versus business emails and how Drift can help you filter them out. So depending on your business, whether it's B2B or B2C, you're probably not going to want to have personal email addresses or free email addresses or known spam email addresses. Drift has allowed for a new feature to be added that makes it so that you have the ability to further ask for a business email. And so what's pretty cool about that is you could identify that someone gives you an email and then ask them for an actual business email and kind of take them down a different flow if they give you that personal one. There's a couple different areas where this can become increasingly important. One is Drift has a lot of intelligence in regards to their Clearbit integration, and a lot of that relies on that email address. And so if you don't have that business email address, a lot of that intelligence isn't going to come through. And now there's an option to set this up differently. What I've got here is I am in a Drift playbook, and I am editing the email capture skill. And you can see here that we have successful email capture, and you get to drive someone to a specific question. And then of course you've got your bot response. But now there's this option down here that allows for us to filter out personal email addresses. Once we click that button and turn that on, you'll have the option to choose which personal email addresses you want to be omitted. And then what you can do is you can proceed and send someone to a different goal. So maybe it is taking them through and asking them for a follow-up question. Maybe it's telling them that you need them to fill out their business email, or maybe it's just asking some additional questions that you may not have asked in the beginning. So you've got this option now to filter and trigger different branches based on whether it's a personal or business email. And it can be a really great way for you to start leveraging your Drift playbooks more effectively. So I'd love to know how you are using this feature in your business, or you plan on using this feature in your business. Please hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBag or in the comments below, and let's start the conversation about how you see utilizing this and what you think that it can do for your company. If you'd like to see other tutorials, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our daily tutorials, you can do that right here. But until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.